little stressed out. I need a drink. Rick, don't fail me now. Oh, little roach. Get out of here.
Okay, for context, what you're not seeing is the Dodge Ram that's on the back of the trailer that is completely immobile. And this motorcycle was put on this trailer with a forklift, and this is what the transporter was expecting me to have, which I did not. So we had to use an alternative method to get this bike off.
I mean, he stays right across the street. I do. I don't get I mean,
I've never done something like this before, and while I had my faith in my transporter that this could be done, we decided to wait for my uncle to go get his truck. And in the meantime, we talked about the bikes that I had in the garage, and eventually my uncle showed up with his truck.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. We're gonna fall off the back end here onto the tailgate, so. Okay, big drop, ready? Yep. Alright, we're good now. Rick, don't fail me now. Slow. Okay. All right. I got it. Yeah. All right.
Easily one of the most sketchiest situations I've been in with rebuilding bikes, but even when he did not have to, Tim from Motor Shippers, he helped us get this bike not only from his trailer onto ours, but also on the ground. It still helped us push this bike into the garage. So thank you. Shout out to Tim for getting us out of this very crazy bind.
That was hard. Yeah, that was scary. He's done that before.
How you feeling?
I'm a little stressed out. I need a drink. After 15 minutes of struggling with this, and he's proving more why I need a truck, we were able to get the bike in here. Wow. Number 4. I'll let you do the honors. Press the button. Okay. Try. It's a sport mode.
Brandon, if only you had a fob.
He just said, if only we had a fob to turn this bike on. Little does he know, I'd already been through this before. We're gonna take the Super Chiefs antenna and WCM, and we're gonna put it on Super Chief right here. And we're gonna turn this bike on.
Right here.
Yes, we need to swap this out with this because this fob matches this. That's gonna allow us to turn the bike, start the bike. Yeah, this thing's got debris everywhere. We're gonna do a thorough look at another time, but we're gonna see if we can get it started right now because he wants to see it started. I wasn't gonna try to start this tonight, but he wants to see it started, so we're gonna try to get it started. This is the battery. That looks really bad. Rust everywhere and corrosion.
Can't work on the motorcycle, smoke no cigar.
No, I didn't think about that. That's a good point.
Can't work on the motorcycle.
We almost went boom. All right, so he's got the WCM from that Super Chief. And the reason we did that is because that WCM, that security module was mapped to this key. So go ahead and try to start it. All right.
Oh, that's the fuel pump, baby.
All because of this. Now, the question is it going to start? Because we do have an error code on there. I say hit the power button, see what happens. Because we already checked the oil. The oil's good. It didn't have any moisture in it, so let's try it.
All right. Moment or two.
There it is. Started. I learned a little something. Let's go. Oh, look at that.
How many miles?
570, no, yeah, 571.
God damn. The arrow code that kickstand sensor.
Yeah, 571.
Oh yeah. That's up in the zone.
Yeah, it is. Oh no, we got roaches. The bike has roaches. Oh my God, look at the roaches. That's not good. It's getting too hot for them. So we're gonna test out the cylinder deactivation. You can hear the difference in it. Watch this. Activate it. Deactivate it. Activate it. Deactivate it.
I get a test shit too much.
That's a wrap, man. We know that the bike run. That's good news. Which means that the motor is sealed. We checked the oil.
Nothing leaking.
Nothing's leaking.
She hot.
It sounds good. Everything's working mechanically. It's just it's got some TLC we're gonna have to deal with. The Dodge helped us. Dodge helped us. My uncle helped us. Oh, little roach, get out of here. I was not intending to try to start this bike tonight, but he insisted. But not only did we get the bike started, we see that the bike also has roaches. There's roaches coming out of the bike. But we also see that this bike only has 571 miles on it. Dude, 571 miles. This is the second Chief we bought this year that has less than 1,000 miles. I am blown away. But we now know why this bike was totaled. There's a lot going on with this, even though it looks pretty and immaculate from a distance. The closer you get, the more you start to see the issues that we're gonna have with fixing this bike. Even though the bike can be ridden, there's more that we have to figure out and I have to explain. But I do have a barrier that I set up around here for the roaches, so hopefully they don't come in my house and infect the other bikes in the house. That would not be good. I bought another Super Chief, and this is going to complement everything else that we're doing with Super Chief because we took security modules off of one Chief and we were able to start another Chief. So clearly I'm doing something right here, because without that, we would not have gotten this bike started. So I hope you stick around to figure out everything else that I will be doing with this Super Chief, not limited, but Super Chief. And yeah, following my wacky decisions that I make that my wife somehow supports for whatever reason. But as always, thanks for listening to my story. And if you're subscribed, which I hope you are, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.